Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. I'm really excited to be able to film this video today. So I wasn't due to last month's box taking so long to come, I wasn't expecting this one until right at the end of this month. It's arrived a couple of weeks earlier than anticipated, which I'm really pleased about. And what am I talking about? Which subscription box? It's Medusa's makeup. This is a US based monthly subscription box. It costs $16.95 if you're shipping within the US, $22.95 if you're shipping to Canada, or internationally $26.95. Now with exchange rates and one thing and another, it's roughly around about the £21–22 mark. We always get at least 4 full-size items, and it is generally a makeup only subscription. Occasionally you do get a little bit of skincare in there, but yeah, generally this is a makeup one. It's also a little bit more on the alternative side, gothic-y side. You get some quite weird and wacky out there colours. I absolutely love this box. I love getting it every month, and I hope you enjoy my unboxings of it. Alrighty, let's get into it. Let's see what we've got. Can't remember what April's theme was, but we're going to find out together. Here we go. Whoops, we've got a couple of things falling off there. So the theme of April's box was Get Happy. Now then, we've got something here that looks a bit like a sticker that just says Get Happy. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. But it definitely looks like it's got some sort of backing paper on it. So I don't know. I might have a look at our card. You always get a little card inside. Tells you the RRP of all the products that are in there. And then sometimes it will tell you the total box value. Sometimes it doesn't, and I have to add it up myself. But anyway, we'll refer to that as we go along. Okay. First things first, we have a skincare item. Now then, this is basically, it's a sheet mask, and this is, I've got the refreshing and moisturising cucumber facial mask. Ooh. Cruelty free and vegan. Now it's actually by a company called Beauty Host. I like getting a face mask, and a cucumber facial mask sounds really cooling and refreshing, doesn't it? That would be nice with the summer coming up, won't it? It soothes and cools your skin, while the blend of moisturisers leaves your skin smooth and silky. And the RRP of this is $4.95. There we go, item number 1. The other 3 items have come in a little bubble wrappy bag, so I shall undo these. First of all, we have one of their liquid eyeshadows. This is in the shade Marilyn. There we go. And, oops, there we go, that way round. Is it going to focus? Marilyn. Alrighty. Let's have a look at this. Oh, it is. Oh, it's like a black glitter sparkly one. I don't know if you'd be able to see that. Can you see those sparkles shining through? Now then, I have got one of Medusa's other liquid eyeshadows. It's a purpley one, and I have to say it's not the best. Let's have a look at this. They seem to be a little bit sheer and patchy. Yeah, this is like a black, like a dark grey black. There we go. I'm not gonna see if you can see the sparkles in there very much. You can a little bit on the back of my hand. It's sort of twinkling a wee bit. Yeah, this seems to be applying in a very similar way. The formula is very similar to the purple metallic-y one I've got. So I will try it out. But like I say, I wasn't overly impressed with the other one I got. But the value of this, or to buy this off their website, it will cost you £13. Oh, sorry, $13, not £13. Okay, now then, the next one is... it's a matte liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade Shag. Here we go. Here we go. Right, and there's the shade name on the top. There we go. Right, it says it goes from wet to matte in a matter of seconds. Our stay on all day formula glides on smooth for easy application, then dries to the perfect matte lip. Okay, let's have a look. It looks like quite a funny corally orangey colour. Let's have a look. I'm not quite sure about this, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not sure if it's a me colour. Let's just... Wow, that is bright. Now then, there we go. I've just popped a little swatch on the back of my hand. This is very, very bright. This is not a colour that I would go to every day, but with the right look, and yeah, I think I could make that work. I actually quite like that. That is bold and in your face. Quite like that. Right, be interesting to try it out. I don't know how much it'll suit me because these sort of corally tones don't tend to suit me that well. I'm better with sort of berry based or ready ones really, but never mind, that's fine. And then interestingly, okay, again, I do have another one of these. This is their Bullet lipstick. I adore their outside packaging. It's stunning. There we go. And this is the Rich and Creamy Full Coverage Lipstick in Rosé. Okay, this is a champagne pink. Okay, let's have a look. Right. Now then, here we go. That is extremely pale. That is way, way, way too pale for me. Yeah, no, that wouldn't work. I mean, I've got some pale lilac-y, lavendery toned lipsticks. Excuse me. That is way too pale. I would not be able to get away with that at all. So a little bit strange how we've got the liquid lipstick and the bullet lipstick, obviously different formulas, but to get two lip products in a box, and that colour is just not me at all. It seems a bit odd to me. You've got this box, you've got a black liquid eyeshadow, and then you've got a bright neon corally orange liquid lipstick, and then a real pale, like paler than nude pink. Anyway, I can see that being gifted in some shape or form. I do like the formula of their bullet lipsticks, and I like the way they apply. They're very soft, very creamy, very nourishing, but without being greasy or sticky in any way. Obviously we've got our sheet mask as well. I've not tried any sheet masks from Medusa's before, so I'll be interested to try that one. And the total box value this month is $41.94. Like I say, I paid $26.95 to receive this box, so I'm getting around about an extra $15 worth of products, which is around about the sort of £11 mark-ish up on what I've paid, and I've paid sort of 22. Not the best box for me this month from Medusa's. A little bit disappointing for me personally, but you know, I've been subscribed to Medusa's now for about 7 or 8 months, and this really is the first box that's been a true dud for me. I've had the odd dud product before. This one, yeah, bit of a letdown, not really my colours, you know, in all honesty. I mean, I will keep the bright corally orange liquid lipstick because I do like liquid formulas, and I think that sort of colour in the summertime is going to be a bit of fun. But the two products in particular is the face mask and the liquid eyeshadow. Like I say, unfortunately, I've already used their liquid eyeshadows. They're not my favourite formula. So, yeah. But that's my thoughts and feelings on this month's box. Please let me know yours down in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. I'd love it if you'd consider subscribing either by the red button down below or the little circular icon with my face in it, which will appear here shortly. I don't just do subscription box unboxings, I do tag videos, I do update videos when I've used the products. I come back to you a few months later and tell you how I've got on with them. And I've also recently just started doing a live stream on a Friday night, 8 PM London time. Come over, bring a drink with you. We just have a general chit chat, a general natter, a bit of a giggle as well. So please feel free to join us for that. And I think that's everything for today. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody. Keep safe, keep well, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.